Hi guys, it's me, Scott again. Just doing a little video on the pool filter that I've adapted for the Bestway steel frame pool. As you can see, nice big pool for the summer for the kids. Excuse the unfinished garden, it's a project in the making. The pump that they supply with the pool is not all that great. It's a silly little filter that comes inside there, little paper filter that's in top of there. You have to change every probably week because it doesn't really cope too well with the amount of garden waste and green that can build up in the pool. So I've adapted it. The fittings that you can see there that go into the pool, there's one on either side. 40mm normal waste pipe. And what we've done is we've taken away the original outlet from here, and we've adapted it by putting on a shallow shower connector. Now on the other side of this, in there, was a plug outlet for the shower. It's stainless steel shower fitting. Now the trick to getting this right was to get the shower fitting with the removable plug that goes in the top. Then when you remove the plug from the top, you've got space for a 40mm pipe, as you can see. And this 40mm pipe goes straight in there. It can come out quite easily, like that. And all the rubbish gets sucked through that little hole down there. I'll put my 40mm pipe back in. As you can see, excuse the wet hand, and it goes straight down the shower plug. It goes down there. Now this is a standard 40mm waste pipe for the glue type. And then what we've used is I wanted a pond or pool skimmer on this side of the pool, and then a lower filter outlet on that side. And this bit of pipe here it comes from the adhesive that we use to actually glue everything together through the actual pool liner itself. This is a silicone tube from a product called CT1, and brilliant product, goes off underwater. The reason I ended up using this is I tried a number of different ways of doing it, but this plastic seems to float really well, has its own buoyancy if you like, as you can see. It naturally sits and bobs around perfectly at its own level, and does take quite a lot of the crap off the surface. The shower fittings are here. A shallow shower trap comes down onto a 40mm waste pipe, which I siliconed the original hose pipe inside there, right the way up with the CT1. And as you can see, there's a little bit of waste around here. It goes down the original pipe and then into the barrel. The barrel here, yet again, this is another adaptation that I kind of made. This fitting that's in here is a water butt fitting. So if you go to B&Q or Wicks or anywhere like that, they do a fitting for water butt, which was perfect. It went in there, drilled it into the side of the tank, and then again siliconed it in there and then put the clamp fitting over the top. These white pipes here, don't be put off. That was my first attempt at using the filter, and I was using these to siphon the water straight out of the pool and into the tank. But unfortunately, in here is a Makita submersible pump, which I'll show you in a second. But the pump could empty the barrel in a minute, and not enough water was being siphoned into the barrel. The Makita pump pumps it up through here, along this tube, and then down here. This little pipe here that's sticking out the top is actually what's helping put the bubbles into the pool. So what that does is if I pull that out, you'll see that it's just literally just a normal elbow fitting for a waste pipe, for an overflow pipe. I can't get it out. There we go. So as you can see, without that in there, it will do that. I'll get this back at the bottom. When you push this into the fitting, you'll see straight away the water is being pushed through here and down, and what it does is it draws the air through this pipe and pumps it in naturally, so just aerates the water really. I think the bubbles on the surface kind of help all the rubbish disperse over to the pond skimmer over here, just there. I'll show you inside the pool filter in a second. I'll just show you the other outlet on the other side of the pool. As you can see, this is just literally, this is a low filter point. I've drilled the holes in the top of these two fittings over here, because what ends up happening is you'll get air build up in the top of this pipe and you'll get an air blockage in the shower. So in the shower fitting between there and there, you'll end up getting air building up, and then the filter doesn't work. So if you just drill a little hole there, all the air that goes into the pipe will come out and the water gets sucked down the pipe. Exactly the same situation again. 40mm waste pipe with a CT1 siliconed around the outlet pipe, and then another water butt outlet there. The water that's around the pool at the moment is just where I've just been cleaning the pool with the pool hoover. So just isolate the pool. Right. So as you can see in there at the bottom of this, my mole grips, I wonder where they've gone. Good job, Scotty. Well done. Right, underneath here is a Makita submersible pump, which you can see, which is a very good pump. I'll take that out for now. And then what we did is, a friend of mine gave me some of these, which are, these are the pads from one of those orbital floor cleaners for factories and shopping malls and stuff. So cut those, put it around it, put some stainless steel weights on the top to hold them down, and hey presto, filter works. In the bottom of the filter is a couple of pillows. As you can see, just keep the chemical levels right in the pool. It does a good job. Hope you guys like it. Cheers for watching.